Hey everyone, it's Matt and
Sam
from Bullion Now, and we've got an epic unboxing of sorts to do today. So I thought I'd get Sam on board because you probably speak to him on the phone, but he's had a shave and he's looking sharp, so here he is.
Yep, I feel a lot of questions from people asking, when are you going to be on the YouTube channel, when are you going to be on the videos, when do we get to see your face? So here I am, made my first appearance, my Hollywood debut, so here we are.
All right, here we go. So this just came in, hot off the presses, from the Royal Australian Mint. So this is unrelated to our last Royal Australian Mint unboxing, but exciting nonetheless. Here we go. What's going on here? Alrighty. Say
They've got enough packaging going on.
box in a bag in a box in a box. Oh, just open this box, I think.
Inboxception, hey?
That's it.
Oh, look at that.
Here we go.
That's some good stuff.
Oh yeah. This is the 2021 Royal Australian Mint Ox.
So we're putting in some B-roll here, but these are beautiful coins from the Royal Australian Mint. We do get the Perth Mint Lunar Series in. This is something a little bit different. I personally really like the backs of these coins with the different animals on there. That's something that you don't get to see from Perth Mint. It reminds me a bit of the Queen's Beast Completer series.
It is a little similar in that sense, right? I like having each animal represented. So if, for whatever reason, you don't find yourself completing the entire set because it will take you 12 years to do so, you still get a reference to each of those animals there. Yeah. And just a fun fact for you, Sam. Oh. The head side is called the obverse.
Ah.
All right, let's have a look. There is one more coin in here to go. So what do you think of the Lunar Series, Sam? As a collector yourself?
I'm a fan. I've got quite a few of the Perth Mint Lunar Series at home that I'm trying to build towards a full set of them. Yeah, look, I'm a big fan. The idea for me is if you can pick up stuff that has the potential to be collectible one day, maybe in the future, but you're paying bullion prices to do so, I'm more than happy to pull the trigger on that.
We're the same. That's the same. So we'll skip this box. This is just more oxes.
Yeah, so that's my thinking is that, if you're paying bullion pricing and you get to pick up something that's a bit cool that, maybe one day will be worth a bit more than just the silver content of it, then, yeah, happy buyer. And as I said, I've got quite a bit of it looking to build a set.
Oh, good stuff.
What about yourself? What are your thoughts on it all?
I really like it. I was particularly impressed when I saw this series, that design on the obverse with all 12 animals, because I have been a victim in the past of the incomplete collection and had to pay large premiums to round it out. So I feel like in that sense, it's somewhat of a constellation prize. Speaking of constellations, these were so popular. So this is a second in the Beneath the Southern Skies series. The difference is the privy mark, which you'll see in New South Wales there, is a platypus. So they've changed that over from the kangaroo, which was the first in the series. Mm-hmm. And I just spoke with the Mint, and the platypus is the state emblem for New South Wales, but they've neither confirmed nor denied that will be the theme moving forward for this series. So it's an annual series, and they've indicated that there will be more to come, but the animals will be a continuing theme. Whether or not they're the other state emblems, we'll have to wait and see. But this is a really beautiful design. You've got the Queenie on the back there, and the actual design, I didn't know this, it was a tribute to Stuart Devlin, who was the designer of Australia's currency. So our decimal currency, all the native animals you see there, he was the designer. So you see his artwork and illustrations scattered throughout Australian currency history, and this is a reference to one of his designs.
That's awesome that they made that for him. Well, on the note of Royal Australian Mint stuff, we did have the Southern Skies come through last year. We did have last year's versions come through. something that you've probably seen. We've had the triangular coins come through. That was something that Matt organised. He thought, let's get these in. So we are trying to get more Royal Australian Mint stuff come through. We do have a lot of Perth Mint stuff up on the website. We've been doing a lot of business with Perth Mint in the past, but we're looking to extend that to Royal Australian Mint and continue to get in products like this. So
that's it. So there'll be a limited amount. We've got more of these than we got of the triangular coins. So hopefully we can get closer to satisfying the demand.
Yeah.
But if you're on the fence about these, I would recommend pulling the trigger sooner rather than later to save any disappointment, particularly with the Beneath the Southern Skies, which was such a popular series in the first instance. Yeah. But thanks for getting on board, Sam. Nice. Your first unboxing with me.
I'm glad that that I'm here, that I've done it, that I'm now Hollywood part of the crew, right?
That's it. Yeah. People now are reminded of the handsome face behind the phone.
Stop, don't stop.
All right, well, I think that's all I've got to say for the moment. Anything to add, Sam?
No, it's, silver. The triangular coins went very quickly. I'm kind of expecting the same with these, but, we'll wait and see. But good to be here and glad to make my Hollywood debut. Yeah.
No worries. All right, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And we'll see you in the next video.